How you doing?
This stuff here?
Yeah.
How much you guys want for? Well, who should I talk to about buying stuff?
These are 100.
Those are 100?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
Wait, what are?
Good morning, everyone. On Pierce Podcast. So a little bit later than anticipated, but who knows? You never know. Some mornings you can get scores early, and then even at the end of the day. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see exactly everything that I was able to score, or if I didn't. But either way, I hope this brings you value. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, right? Smash that like button. Let us know you enjoyed the video, and also hit that bell notification so you're notified for future videos. All right, let's go hit the road. Let's see what we find. All right, first garage sale of the morning at this place. Everything is supposed to be ordered, and so we'll see what we find. I mean, I don't expect much. I'm here late, and there's been a lot of people, and you know, a quarter. That's the deal. So we'll see.
I know that guy.
Good morning. You know me?
Yeah.
From what?
From the yard sale.
Oh, from yard. Yeah, I was here at a yard sale before.
And you were over there at a yard sale.
Today?
No, not today.
Another time?
Another time.
Okay. Is that good or bad? It sounds.
Don't you have a card?
I do have a card. Yeah, I gave you my card.
Your card.
Nice.
And I'll have some stuff soon.
You will? Awesome. Okay. Well, good. I kind of got worried because you sounded like I know that guy, like,
No,
not in a good way. And I'm like, oh, no.
No, but I'm going to have some stuff.
I don't do it.
Okay. A wanted poster? There you go.
Everything
Okay.
here is a quarter.
Yeah, I know. That's why I showed up. So hopefully I can find some good scores. Yeah, give me a call. Whenever.
Yeah, seriously. I'm going to have some stuff I want to
Okay.
get rid of.
Sounds good. All right. I'm going to keep looking around. Hopefully
Okay.
some scores here. Thank you. Thank you for remembering. All right, I didn't want to go through a whole montage of looking through a bunch of stuff. Just there wasn't anything there. I was already picked over. I was there kind of late. But the major score of the morning was the fact that she remembered me. That's one of the reasons I don't shave this. And she still has my business card. And she has a lot of good stuff that she wasn't wanting to sell yet. But I think now in talking to her off camera that she's willing to sell. So hopefully I'll make that into a future podcast or maybe future YouTube. Other things to take in mind, even though it's a quarter, right? You're like, Orlando, how come you didn't pick anything up? Here's the thing. You could lose money picking up items for a quarter. Because if they're not profitable and you spend the time sorting them, listing them, and they don't sell, all that time that you spent is lost money because time is money. So something to think about. Just because it's cheap doesn't mean it's worth the pickup. All right, off to the next garage sale. All right, next garage sale. This one actually looks promising. There's a lot of stuff here, so we'll take a look and see what we can find here. Let's go.
It's like the ace man.
Good morning.
How you doing?
This stuff here?
Yeah.
How much you guys want for? Well, who should I talk to about buying stuff?
These are 100.
Those are 100?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
Wait, what are 100? And this is $16.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, she was really cool.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Are you in charge of everything here?
Co-in charge.
I was wondering the DVD VCR players over there. How much do you want for those?
Chris does that side over there.
Okay.
And we're over here.
Oh, you're over here. Okay. Okay. All right.
He can.
How much for the Raiders blanket?
We'll go $4.
$4. Okay. We'll grab a few things and maybe we'll sort things out.
Thing for me was going to buy these shoes. Oh, and then also too, I washed my
$5. Can we work on that a little bit?
What were you thinking? How about $4?
How about, can we do 3?
For the blanket and the shirt?
Yeah.
How about 4?
I don't know. Yeah, well,
See anything else you like? I mean, you got some.
I know. I was looking. I wish I could find other Raiders or Padres stuff. You don't have any other Raiders or Padres stuff?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Got a Galloway jacket.
Yeah, I'll do $4. That's fine.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How
Hey,
are you?
I'm good. What are you thinking on these right here?
What are you thinking of?
Well, it's a garage sale, so I'm thinking garage sale prices. So,
Me too.
so what does that mean? but that could mean different things for both of us.
I said 100, Dad.
$3.
$3?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do $3. $3. They did tell me 100 at first, and I was like, okay, I'll ask the I'll ask again. All right, $3. Let me look around and see what else I can pick up.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. These are cool right here. These big. What about these?
Those are 20.
More like props, huh?
I would do like 35 on them. Yeah, I researched because you need batteries.
Yeah.
But the lenses apparently are what's actually worth the most.
Okay.
on 'em.
Okay.
But yeah, so I did say not a lot of people still use them because they're
Okay.
not like 4K. Everyone's
Yeah.
using, but
They look cool, like if you wanted to like have it in your office or something,
Yeah,
or you do
yeah.
video. Okay. All right, let me think about these a little bit. You're saying how much were you saying again?
I would do 35 for both.
35 for both. Okay. All right, let me look some more.
20.
How about these Bose speakers?
That's gonna be 40 for those.
40 for these.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You mind if I make like a little bundle pile?
Sure.
And then we'll see.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So I think I'm interested in the speakers, the DVD player, and the 2 camcorders. What could we do if we put it all together?
Would you do 45 for all of
That's not bad. 35?
40.
40? I could do 40. That's fine. Yeah. All right, it is getting later in the morning. It's about 9:30 now, but who knows? Maybe there's stuff here. I mean, there's plenty of stuff here. Whether it's going to be profitable, we will see. What are you guys thinking on the these Yakima items right here?
Okay, that would be on the skis.
No, these right here, the carriers.
It's just here.
Yeah, I know on eBay they go for like 60. I was thinking like $5-10 because of the garage
How
sale.
about 15? I mean, they're
15?
brand new. I'm gonna put them on eBay.
There's no
you know, but
pillows or
You could put them on eBay. You probably should put them on eBay.
never been used. So
Yeah, I just
15.
$10.
I don't want to haggle. I mean, 15 is a great deal for bread.
All right, I'll pass. It's okay. No worries.
Okay.
All right, cool. Thank you. What were you thinking on these right here? These scanners?
$1 each.
$1 a piece? Okay, I'll do $1 a piece. That's
Okay.
fine.
Let's get these out. So.
I'll get you $1. All right, headed to the last garage sale. I'm not expecting much of this garage sale. Now, why did I walk away from those Yakima Snowbound, I think Snowhound ski carriers? Because when the guy said I don't want to haggle, I just at that point was just like, I'm done. I probably should have picked them up. Sometimes you can't let your emotions get to you, but I was kind of just annoyed. I'm like, I'm done. I'm leaving. But yeah, $15 still would have been profitable, but I don't know how long it would have taken to sell. Probably would have waited a couple months on those, and they would have taken up space. Either way, don't let your emotions get to you. Just being real. All right, last garage sale. All right, so I'm not even going to show the last garage sale. It wasn't worth it. Sometimes you show up late and there's some scores, and sometimes, yeah, obviously, you showed up too late. but it's still a profitable morning. In total, spent $46 on everything, and I'm estimating on the bottom end $300 net profit, on the high end $500 net. All depends on if a couple things work and how they sell. So let me show you guys real quick, do a recap of what was picked up. All right, so first of all, I had this Magnavox dual deck VCR DVD player with remote, and these, if you take a look on the right, they go for about $100 to $200 on eBay, even more on Amazon. And let's say this doesn't work. Remember, I paid about $3. I mean, it was part of a bundle, but initially he had told me $3. If this doesn't work, the remote itself, I can sell for $20 to $30 because resellers are looking for this, and so they're in demand because, you know, if you can get it to work for a dual deck, it's totally worth it. All right, it's not going to stay. All right, also, this vintage t-shirt here. Okay, so the Padres are doing a little bit better, and so these shirts are selling for more. This is from when they went to the World Series back in 1998, and so I've recently sold some of these for $30 to $40, so totally worth it. Remember, I paid $4 for the shirt and the Raiders blanket, so this itself is going to pay for everything because it was only $4. And then the blanket, believe it or not, I've sold these football blankets from $40 to $50. I had a huge 49ers haul about a year ago with a bunch of blankets, and all those sold. And they each sold on the, I think on the high end for $50, and the low end, I think I sold one maybe for 25 or 30, but not too bad. All right, let's take a look at these scanners. So these scanners you saw me pick up for $1 each. I didn't see any solds, and I didn't see any really listed, but I've sold these for $40 to $50 a piece for $1 each. Can't go wrong. And yeah, everything's in there. I checked it out. It's all clean, it's all legit, and you can actually, you know, buy these for your own business to do some Amazon scanning or maybe even eBay. All right, these Bose speakers. Now remember, initially it was $40 for just the speakers, but I got this and those cameras. We'll talk about those in a moment, and these speakers all for $40. And these, if you take a look there on the right, these will go for anywhere. I'm gonna try to sell these for over $100. Some people put them on auction, they only got like $30 or $40. I gotta tell you, do not go auctions. To me, if people just leave money on the table when they go auctions. All right, and last of all, these vintage Sony cameras. Now I'm up in the air about what I want to do with these. They're obviously, I'm not going to be able to test them or see if they work, but I've seen just the casing, just this part right here on eBay. If you see there on the right, sell for, and I showed you earlier the same picture, sell for just $50. So I'm guessing with the lens and all, I'm gonna go high. I'm gonna go over $100 each, probably like $150 to $200 with best offer, and see what the market brings. But totally worth it. So not too bad. Let's say I only make $100 on these. Make 100 on these, that's 200. 100 here, that's 300. And then you got the scanners, you got the shirt, and you got the Raiders blanket. So not too bad for $46 spent and waking up late in the morning. So even if you wake up late, still worth it. You never know with these garage sales. I think I spent like 2 hours out there, right? 2 hours, and yeah, it's gonna take me some time to list and to pack and ship, but let's say it's 4 hours, right? And let's say I make $400. That's $100 an hour. You can't beat that, and it's not heavy work. It's pretty easy to list things and pack them. I mean, think about it. So gotta love Saturday morning garage sales. So hopefully you're able to get out there. Hopefully you're able to find some scores. And as always, make sure to be real, be relevant, and be reselling. Late.